Good morning, children. Today we learn about the types of fibers. The fibers are of two types, natural fiber and synthetic or man-made fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from nature naturally, whereas synthetic fibers, they are prepared in laboratory using certain chemicals. These are also called as man-made fibers. Natural fibers either come from plants or from animals. Therefore, they are further classified as plant fiber or animal fiber. Under plant fiber, we have cotton, jute, hemp, flax and coir. Under animal fibers, we have wool, silk, fur and leather. Under synthetic fiber, the examples are nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic. Now children, I'll show you certain items here and you have to classify them as natural or synthetic fiber. So let's start. The first thing here, it is the woolen sweater. It is made up of wool. So it is an animal product. It is made up of animal fiber wool. So we can say that it is a natural fiber or we can say it is an animal fiber. Similarly, gloves. It is made up of wool. So it is an animal fiber, right? Next example is cotton. The cotton comes from cotton plant. So it is a plant fiber. It is a natural fiber, a plant fiber. Next example, this is a jute. This is a jute bag. Jute comes from jute plant. So it is a plant fiber. Next you will observe it. Here the bag, it is made up of hemp. See, hemp is a plant fiber, so it is again a natural fiber. Next is silk. Silk comes from the animal. It comes from the silk moth, so we can classify it as animal fiber. It is a natural fiber but under the category of animal fiber. Next is the raincoat. Raincoat, you all know it is a synthetic fiber and it is made up of polyester. Yes, it is waterproof. It is made up of polyester. Next example I have taken here, it is again, see here, it is a jute. If you observe the fiber of the jute, see, it is rough on touch. Then here, this is coir. Coir come from coconut plant, a plant fiber. If you will observe them and distinguish between them, the coir is rough. It is more rough as compared to the jute. So it is used for making mats, etc. because it is very rough. Next example I have taken here is, see here, it is made up of nylon fiber and nylon is a synthetic fiber. Next is khadi. Khadi is a type of cotton only. Khadi is a plant fiber. Next, your tie, your school tie. It is made up of polyester. So, it is a synthetic fiber. Next is, observe the bristles of the toothbrush. The bristles of the toothbrush, they are made up of nylon only. So, we can say that it is a synthetic fiber. Next example is your racket, your badminton racket. See the wire here, these wires are made up of nylon. Similarly the bags, see here the bag, it is again made up of nylon. The cloth, it is made up of polyester. So we can say that it is a synthetic fiber. And the last example we have taken here is leather. Leather comes from animal. So we can say that leather is again a natural fiber. Now I think children, you all are very much aware with the difference between natural and synthetic fiber. Thank you.